Hello everyone, welcome to the Complete Software Testing Bootcamp. My name is Tariq Rushdi and I will be your instructor throughout this course. In this course, my goal is to give you the information that you need in order to work as a software tester. And when we talk about working as a software tester, we have more than one scope. You might be someone who is working in another field and you are trying to make a career shift into software testing. You might be looking for a full-time job or a freelance opportunity, okay? You might have good knowledge about software development and programming, or you might be coming from another discipline and you don't know anything about this field. So regardless of your previous knowledge and experience, all of those types of goals are covered in this course, and of course in each section I will begin this section by telling you why are we studying this topic, who is the appropriate audience for this topic, so that you can choose the best topics that help you in gaining the important knowledge that helps you in landing your first job. Before we begin our course, I will give you a brief introduction about the course content and about myself. So let's begin our next video and talk about what is the course content.